Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to solve exercise question from book Topics in Algebra from chapter 4 Vector Space and Models. Question is, prove that annihilator of W is subspace of V cap. So proof, here V is a vector space over field F, then V cap is set of all homomorphisms from vector space V to field F, and this V cap is also a vector space over field F. We call V cap as dual space of V. Now, if W is subspace of vector space V, then annihilator of W is collection of all those homomorphisms F in V cap, that is dual space of V, such that f of W is 0 for all W in subspace W. Now here our claim is to show that the set annihilator of W is subspace of vector space V cap, that is dual space of V. Now it is clear that annihilator of W is subset of dual space of V from here. Now consider any two homomorphisms, say F1 and F2 in annihilator of W. This implies for all vectors W in subspace W, we have F1 of W is 0 and F2 of W is 0. This thing follows from definition of annihilator of W. Now next, consider any two scalars, say alpha 1 and alpha 2 in field F. Then for any vector W in subspace W, we have alpha 1 F1 plus alpha 2 F2 of W is alpha 1 F1 of W plus alpha 2 F2 of W. This thing follows from addition in V cap. Now we can write this as alpha 1 F1 of W plus alpha 2 F2 of W, but F1 of W is 0 and F2 of W is 0. So we get alpha 1 F1 plus alpha 2 F2 of W is alpha 1 0 plus alpha 2 0, and therefore we get alpha 1 F1 plus alpha 2 F2 of W is equal to 0. And therefore, since W was any arbitrary vector in subspace W, we have for all vectors W in subspace W, alpha 1 F1 plus alpha 2 F2 of W is 0, and therefore alpha 1 F1 plus alpha 2 F2 is a homomorphism in annihilator of W, and therefore annihilator of W is subspace of dual space of V, and this proves our result.